fuckheads. Now right now, I do have the Accel crimping tool. I have the right one for these wires. But a lot of people don't. So I'm going to show you an alternative way of doing this shit. First, get your wire up there where you want it to be. Which I figure it's right there. I'm going to cut a little bit past what I need. And now, I go like this right here.
Your son's talking to you.
Oh yeah, I talked to him.
Take all these little fibers, get rid of that shit, cut them fuckers off. Leave the black one in the middle. Cut all them white ones off. If you gotta go get your razor knife or break out your pocket knife, do that.
Did you know that when you come to Florida, you even have to do laundry once in a while?
Alright, now I fold that back around along my wire here.
What's that?
I go like that right there.
Oh, is it?
You take these right here.
Yeah, yeah.
And just go like that. And it's just to hold it temporarily for a second. Now, for those of you who don't have that $70 fucking Accel crimper, here's my secret weapon. I actually keep one of these on the bike, whereas I don't keep a crimper on the bike. I'm just bitching about goddamn Yankees running their fucking mouths while I'm trying to shoot a fucking video, that's all.
Oh, bite me.
He bitches. Bitchin's his middle name. Right, babe?
Alright. So I run it through the, actually I need to run it through the 3/8 before the 7/16.
He was. Was he bitching about me?
Goddamn right.
I don't remember. Yeah. I'm sure he was.
Yeah, usually at the top of the list. Feel like I hid something you can't find it. He was around here looking for his black wire all morning and he couldn't find it. Of course, he blamed me for putting it somewhere.
Well,
Finally gave up and used white wire.
Shame on you for tidying up.
Yep.
By the way, folks, this is a plumbing flaring tool. I'm just not using the flaring part. Okay, so that's part of it. Break that out of there. Move it down to the 7/16. Okay, nice and tight in there.
I had a Burger King chicken sandwich this morning.
And for the final step,
They're not as good as McDonald's.
move it down to the 5/16. Get that shit extra tight in there. Fuck no, she was already here bitching all fucking morning and shit.
Oh, Jesus.
Driving that poor boy crazy.
She was she had a bitch before she was out there. And she finally finally left, pissed off. She's gone for about 10 minutes. She was driving back up again and said, "Get out of here when I talk to you, you asshole."
No!
Yeah.
Ew.
Around my house, peg asshole's a common household phrase. Along with son of a bitch. Bastard.
Oh, what y'all worked up about?
She just felt like bitching.
She's bitching. Typical women thing, you know. They like to bitch for the sport of it. You know, women are.
I don't bitch.
Peg never did either, so you know, I think so.
Bullshit.
Bitch. Well, I'm sure you deserved it. Didn't you?
What's that?
I'm sure you deserved it, didn't you?
No, not really. I don't want to run that really bad. I like that anyway.
Yeah, so much for the wing on that one. Good thing this is a Harbor Freight ass shit. Made in fucking China. Yeah, I know, I ought to buy American made shit, but hell, if I buy American made shit, it breaks just as fucking easy. And this shit's about 10 times cheaper. Alright, now, just for pretty up, take my pliers here, my wire crimping pliers. Go back in here, and just enough to put a little bump in there where that sumbitch ain't never coming out of there. And then I take my little baby needle nose here and pretty that up just a hair more. Got my little bump in there, and that shit ain't coming out. I promise you that ain't coming out. Let me go back in, I'm going to round that up just a little bit more. Fucking cheap ass Chinese goddamn shit. Just my fucking luck. And shooting a video when that shit happens too. God damn. Cheap ass Harbor Freight fucking flaring tool. $9.99. Having that shit break while you're on the fucking shooting a video for the fucking internet. Oh man, that's just priceless, ain't it? Alright. Boom. And y'all already seen me put my notch in there. When I pull this apart, it should look nice and round and pretty. There you go. Nice and round and pretty. Now, to get that boot on there, I usually use white lithium grease. But this shit's right here and handy. This is the dielectric grease they give you in the kit with the Accel coils. Put a little bit on there. Rub that shit around, make sure it's lubed up real good. Alright, now take your boot, put a little bit in there, just like that right there. Take you a 1/4 inch thing. Make sure it's greased up good in there. Watch your angle of your thing. And that motherfucker will slide right up in there. You shouldn't even have to twist, just push. Are you fucking kidding me? Look at there. Accel done give me a boot with some extra fucking rubber in it. Again. It's 3 days in a row I've run across that shit. I kid you not, that's 3 days in a row I've seen where they left the center up in there. Fuck. Somebody at Accel Quality Control ain't doing so good with. Actually, I don't know if Accel makes their own boots or not. These boots seem to be pretty universal. They come with a lot of shit. Now that I got that out of there. Got my hands all greasy. Now you're at the end. Instead of pulling on the end of your boot, you come down here and pull. Push that shit through, and I ain't got enough grease on it. There we go. One more. Alright. Now, because this is a Suzuki and it's got this stock fucked up ass nut here inside the clamp, which is actually where they always are, take you some cloth electrical tape. Do not use vinyl, you'll eat right through it in a month or two. Start a little ways back, go like that. Come back one wrap. There you go. Now, stick your boot up there, just like that right there. And remember, bitch ain't on until it clicks, like that. It clicked. It's on there. It ain't going nowhere neither. And I did my electric tape a little bit too far back. Damn it. Alright. We'll get around that. I'll do that again later. Anyway, now y'all know how to crimp them when you ain't got the rack fucking crimper. Holler at y'all fuckers and fuckheads later.